gonna stop over somewhere.
With date. Kuya Chad is here.
The foreigners.
I appreciate it.
So what fish is that?
Yeah,
Like, being a big lift.
yeah. As an umbrella.
You will take care. Thank you for the hands that prepared the food. Somehow similar to how you always would like to snack.
Okay ba lang para hindi mo na natin makulang
Yes.
organic?
And this is a typical Filipino food where you have fried rice. Actually. And this is my childhood favorite that we haven't tried.
Yesterday.
Yes.
That's the one with the coconut chicken.
Yes.
What's the menu?
No, you should do fasting for later. Do the sun dance and offer some.
Like I said, we're very happy that we're here. My request, like Kenny's request, can you set up the karaoke in the house we passed by?
It's part of the celebration. You can go there if you want to
It
sing.
doesn't matter what time of the day you go past. There is music, someone singing, you know. It's like, oh my God.
He's a cutie boy. Your Bobo.
It's a good time for me to get away.
Mare, thank you so much for the gifts. I appreciate you. Thank you for never forgetting and for being so thoughtful. Love you, Mare.
Thank you.
Honey, come. Say hi to Jason. Say hi to Jason, Mare. Come. Say hi to Jason. Mare, here he is. There's Chad. Thank
Hello.
you, Mare. Love you.
Mas may low pressure mo.
Tigwa. Oh my God. Oh shit. Because it's our lucky day every time when in Bicol.
Cute si Popa.
Wow! Oh? Ay, ito!
Maulog na.
Baby! Ito't malutit! Oh my God! You know why? Hi, baby. Good morning! Baby, good morning!
Cute those pictures natin.
Babies! Very handsome. Wow, yan si Ma. Yes, yan. Day off. Get my love. Yan, open it up. Ayan, nice. Boom. Pang professional ang design ko ha. Bako yan AI. Very nice. Boom. Eating namin. Gusto lang nga baya si Chico. Oo.
Hindi ka tungat eh.
Oo, dahon lang.
Siya na naman ang piso ng puso. Hindi na kung gusto namin.
Yep. Festive decoration committee. The Gulaman Queen. The Alalay.
Already mounted. Mounted ba?
I see, I see. Later. Okay, thank you for demonstrating. Hey, boom. What you eating? Wow. Wow, you look nice. Come on. Green na green. Yan, gayon.
I'm surprised. Ah, there's fish from...
Ay, from Kuya Ed.
Wow.
I'm so happy for you. Thank you. You look in love. Ano yung stress?
Fresh ka, friend.
Fresh. Oy, papicture mo kami. Picture mo kami, Kuya. Honey, before you get coconut, I want a photo. Nagka-country.
Sorry, you said what?
Ready before lunchtime.
Uy, may phone.
I've seen better pictures. Thursday.
I know people are busy. Papalo, pow, 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 pow. Papalo, pow, 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 pow.
Have fun, enjoy it. Soak it in. So that Buko pandan. Ano, what?
Pandas, there's no
What you want? Ay, ito! Trying to, come on. Ah, your mother. It's your mother. Wow, bomb. Okay, let's go, honey.
Mama, you don't...
Yes, sir.
Or maybe you...
Cutie pie.
We put the towel in the right place.
Dear. Dude, hello, Pebon. Yun, nilalumpia.
It's dirty white.
There it is. Yes.
Slicer.
The slicer,
Wow.
yeah.
And the pawpaw is that.
Oh.
That's what do you think?
Yeah.
What's good? Pizza and that little fart over there. Uy. And careful. Bata maparos. Yes, baby. Try it. Sneaky one. Iyo po, Papa. Very nice na. Boom. Maluto na yan, Papa? Wow, buko salad. Buko pa.
Anong waya may kamera na doon?
No pizza cutter?
Bako 8 anak eh.
Happy graduation. Congratulations, Kuya Lal. Yung mga tao. Ayan. Full force. The special guest from Denmark is here.
Malinawon ba? Okay.
Do 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 do.